Welcome, guys. I hope you're fine. According to experts, there are two new COVID symptoms that Omicron variant might cause that haven't been commonly associated with the virus before. The Omicron variant has quickly taken over the world, resulting in rising COVID cases, breakthrough infections, and reinfections. This new version of the virus has already pushed the US to report more than 1 million new daily COVID cases on the starting of January 2022. And virus experts expect its surge to continue throughout the month, if not longer. More than 95% of cases in the country are estimated to be caused by Omicron. And every time the virus evolves, so can the illness it produces. Keep watching the video to find out what surprising COVID signs you should be looking out for now. Number 1. Nausea and loss of appetite. If you wake up with an upset stomach, don't dismiss it. The UK-based Zoo COVID app recently updated its list of common Omicron symptoms to include nausea and loss of appetite. Milder gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea and loss of appetite might be indicative of a milder COVID case, which seems to be more common with breakthrough Omicron. Tim Spector, a professor of genetic epidemiology at King's College London and head of the Zoo COVID study app, said that these two gastrointestinal symptoms appear more likely in infections among fully vaccinated and boosted individuals. Some of them had nausea and loss of appetite, slight temperature, sore throat, and headache, Spector said. Number 2. Cold-like symptoms. People with Omicron will also likely have some typical cold-like COVID symptoms. Robert Goodsir, MD, the Chief Medical Officer for the Mount Sinai Medical Center in Florida, recently told that many people infected with the new variant tend to think they just have a cold, as most patients are reporting sore throat, headache, and fever as well. According to Goodsir, there are some clear divides between cold symptoms and COVID symptoms. A couple differences would be, I think significant fever with COVID, people are having more fever a day, are true, and obviously if you get significant lung symptoms, if you get bad coughing for a long period of time, any kind of shortness of breath, those things are uncommon with the common cold, he explained. Common COVID symptoms are less likely with the Omicron variant. Guys, don't wait for certain telltale COVID symptoms to pop up before you get tested. Virus experts recently warned that the Omicron variant might be less likely than previous variants to cause a loss of taste or smell for infected individuals. Prior research has suggested that nearly 48% patients with the original strain of COVID had loss of smell and 41% had loss of taste. But a small analysis of an Omicron outbreak among vaccinated people in Norway found that only 23% reported loss of taste and just 12% reported loss of smell. Andrew Pecos, PhD, a professor of molecular microbiology and immunology at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, told to the New York Times that people with Omicron might be more likely to report symptoms like nausea because loss of smell is less prevalent, so it's easier to pay attention to milder symptoms. That's it, guys. I hope this video will be informative for you. Thanks for watching the video.